Music publicists help musicians and bands get noticed by the public and the media. Their job is to promote their clients through interviews, press releases, magazine articles, social media, and appearances on TV or radio. They work closely with music journalists, bloggers, and event organizers to create a good image for the artist and build their reputation. A music publicist also helps manage any bad publicity and makes sure their client is always seen in a positive light. A junior publicist might earn between £18,000 and £25,000 a year. With more experience, this can go up to around £30,000 to £45,000. Top publicists who work with famous artists or major music labels can earn over £60,000, especially if they are well known in the industry or run their own PR company. To become a music publicist, there isn't one set path, but having a degree in public relations, media, communications, or music business can really help. Some people start by doing internships or working for PR companies to get experience. It's important to be a good communicator, stay calm under pressure, and know a lot about the music industry. Being organized, confident, and having strong writing skills also helps, especially when dealing with the media and promoting artists.